was my lazy rice pot. Easy recipes for the win, so convenient and yummy.
This recipe is gonna be a hit too. Last time everyone loved the sardine rice pot. So grateful for all the love. Spicy canned tuna today. Super bold and flavorful. That kick is everything. Just adjust the rice to your liking, tossed in some corn for extra nutrition and crunch. Rinse the rice and toss everything into the rice cooker. Gotta pour in that spicy tuna with all the sauce. Just add salt and turmeric. You'll get this gorgeous golden rice with amazing aroma. One cup rice, just a bit more water. Ingredients, soak it up. No worries if it's undercooked. Just add water and simmer. Give it a good mix and let the cooker do its magic. All done, mix it up, let the steam out, and dig in. Lifting the lid lets excess steam escape, so the rice gets perfectly fluffy instead of gummy. It also lets the grains rest and absorb moisture evenly for a better texture. Plus, it releases any trapped pot smell, keeping the rice fresh and fragrant. Feel free to toss in some chili flakes if you like it spicy, skip it if you don't. And for those who love crispy toppings, fried shallots would be awesome on this. Of course, soft-boiled eggs are a must. Makes it a super nutritious meal. Right, this rice pot is so simple, non-spicy folks can swap an olive all tuna instead. Notice we skipped frying? Sharp-eyed foodies, comment below. Exactly, skipping the frying keeps it light and all-free. Sure, toasted ingredients taste amazing, but this way is just as yummy and healthier. Spicy tuna and turmeric create a warm, bold flavor that's rich, but not heavy. The rice comes out fluffy and fragrant, with every grain soaked in that golden turmeric goodness. You get a nice kick from the chili tuna mix, balanced by the earthy aroma of turmeric. The corn adds little bursts of sweetness and a playful crunch in every bite. It's a cozy, satisfying bowl that feels like a hug for your taste buds. Tuna is a lifesaver for lazy days. Just open the can, packed with protein but low-cal. Perfect for filling you up without weighing you down. A must-try for fitness lovers. It's loaded with omega-3 from the deep sea. Regular bites boost your brain power and care for your heart. Great for busy bees and students fighting fatigue. Don't underestimate this white meat. Vitamin D for strong bones. Antioxidants fighting inflammation. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Honestly, the whole point of sharing these recipes is to spread the joy of easy cooking I've discovered. It's been so fun realizing how simple and enjoyable cooking can be. Many recipes I share are my first attempts at dishes inspired by your suggestions. After testing them a few times, I love sharing my own tweaked versions with everyone. Just a home cook here learning new recipes, so grateful for all the love that keeps this channel growing. From the bottom of my heart, thank you guys! You've gotta try this recipe. Feel free to toss in carrots, onions, or bell peppers too, and nothing beats a colorful rice pot to wake up your appetite. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.